For sale is our 2022 Holiday Rambler Admiral 34J. What you can't see here is the tintless nano-ceramic that's on the interior of the windshield. Cuts down on 97% of UV and 75% of heat. Makes a huge difference going down the highway. Outdoor bin space. Always keep the wheels covered when not in use. Prevent tire decay from UV, of course. Outdoor TV setup. Stereo. Got an outdoor kitchen here. Microwave. Sink. Refrigerator, of course. Fill up. Right now my liquid springs are in low mode, so the RV is closer to the ground, lessening the strain on the jacks. Maintain the roof. Awning's in decent shape. Go for a quick peek inside. It's got a queen size bed over the bunk that drops down. Whole RV sleeps about 10. Feeder seating, dinette, 4 TVs in the RV, 1 outside, 3 inside. We keep it in pretty decent shape here. Full-size kitchen, residential refrigerator, as well as residential microwave, bunk beds, full bath, plenty of storage for towels, linens, things like that. TV set up here for the kids that we removed because they watch enough TV. Bunk bed set up. And here's our king size bed in the back with a sliding rear door. So anyway, thanks for watching.